Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how works this Toyota cars and also Lexus cars, this electric power steering system. And now we have these cars like Toyota Camry, Toyota Corolla, RAV4 and so on, and also in these Lexus cars where we have this electric power steering system. Okay, and we start that job in our car steering wheel. This is the first thing, that when we are driving and then we are thinking that how works this Toyota's electric power steering system. And really, when we are driving in our Toyota car and we rotate our steering wheel, what happens then? When we take this central airbag console away, we can see in this inner area that there is this hole what goes to this steering wheel central bolt. And when this bolt is moving same speed than steering wheel, we can go also forward in that lower area in here. And now I have already opened these parts that we can see what there is happening. And this is like end point, and there is this final steering wheel part what goes to this engine bay area and in these wheels and tires. This bolt, it rotates this final steering part in engine bay area, but this is this my purpose final part. But that area in here, this is this power steering area what we are next looking more carefully. Okay, and this system really works so that when we are rotating our steering wheel, then this movement, this part moves, it goes in this area in here. We can see that when I rotate that, then this part moves in here. And what we can see inside in that area. Firstly, there is this key lock. It is in this position. When we start our car, there are flasher wipers, and there is this flasher. And in that area, this is interesting. Maker is NSK. It is Japanese company. And then there is also this power steering computer. It looks like that. And maker is NSK. And we can see in here this product code and also note left hand L. This is like in left hand steering wheel, and if we have right side, then this is different computer. And this is really computer, and there is this product now code, and this part controls this electric motor. There is really electric motor what makes this power steering system force. Look, there is really these thick cables, and these thick cables means that there is a lot of power what goes in this device. And also there is this product code, and maker is again NSK, and there is Mitsubishi. This Mitsubishi is maybe this Mitsubishi company's sub-company, and this is like this part is electric power steering systems, this electric motor, and there is shaft inside in here, and it belongs in this area, that bolt in here in this way, and there are two bolts in here what keeps that in position. I have now removed those, and then when we look in that area, there is again nice inner shaft in here, and there is sensor, and now this maker is Bosch and Toyota part maker is, and this part measures that how much this our steering wheel has been rotated and moves. And look, these blue wheels, they takes contact in this electric motor in that area in here. There is this electric shaft what makes this power, and then there is connection in this screw in here. Very nice. And this part really, there is that area, and this part makes contact indirectly in here. In that way those goes nicely, and then final part in here is this shaft joint what belongs in this area by one bolt in this way. But this is really, this system really works so that there must be computer, and this tells that this is not so simple system than this previous fluid base power steering system. And there is this electric motor, and this part is heavy. This is like starter, same powerful than starter. This weighed about 5 pounds or more. And we can open that also if we like to look this inside area. But this is similar than starter, and it moves like step by step, and it makes this power that we have easy to rotate this steering wheel. It is this electric steering wheel, this power comes from this part. And if we have any issues in our system, this electric power steering system, we need to replace this motor or then this computer or then these sensors in here. And there is also that another side. There is also small circuit board in here and a connection, and this is also part of this electric power steering system. Okay, that kind of information to you, and see you in next movie.